Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by preparing the console and headset. First, make sure your Xbox model supports USB audio and you're signed in. This avoids profile audio routing issues. Once done, plug the USB connector directly into a rear USB port or a front powered port. Avoid passive hubs because they can underpower the headset and cause noise. While you plug in, listen for the headset LED or startup tone so you know physical connection succeeded. That indicator saves time before moving to settings. Next, you'll configure the Xbox audio to route sound to the USB headset. Go into Settings, General Volume and Audio Output, and select the headset as the output device. This tells the console to send both game and chat to the USB device. Then pick a headset format, stereo uncompressed for clarity or a spatial option if you prefer wider sound, because format affects latency and clarity. Finally, use chat mixer and headset volume to balance voices versus game audio until level. To finish, verify both game audio and microphone function in a party or match so you confirm two-way audio. If you don't hear sound or mic isn't detected, try the common fixes. Switch USB ports, restart the Xbox, check headset firmware on PC if available, and ensure mute isn't enabled. One quick troubleshooting tip that often works is unplugging the headset for 10 seconds then reconnecting. This forces a fresh device enumeration and resolves many connection glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.